Hello, fabulous friends. Well, Julie Janasi here. I love helping you feel beautiful. So today you're going to see me go from a bare face to a full makeup. This is my everyday sort of look that I use. And so you're going to get to see some tips and how to put it together. So enjoy this video. Leave your comments. I'd love to hear what you think and let me know any skincare or makeup questions. I am always here to help you. Have a fabulous day and enjoy this video. We're getting started with the foundation primer. We put about a pea-size amount on and just smooth it in all over. This helps make your makeup stay on and everything stay on all day. Next, we'll do our CC cream, lightweight coverage, SPF 15. This you can blend in with your blending brush to give you a little bit more coverage. Cover your entire face, including underneath your eyes and across your eyelids, and blend well for great coverage. If you want a little more coverage, you can use a foundation. Next, we want to cover underneath our eyes, so we're going to use an under eye corrector and concealer mixed together. Use your finger to mix these two and then gently pat underneath your eyes. Use a patting motion instead of wiping to help make sure you get the product exactly where you want it. Then you'll want to blend a little bit to make sure that the product is blended all the way in. Perfect. Next, let's start on the eyes. We're going to use our liquid eyeshadow as a base to help our powder shadow stay on all day. Use the cream eyeshadow brush to blend well. Now we'll use Moonstone eyeshadow onto the inside corner of the eye to brighten the eye. Using the all-over eyeshadow brush, gently pat and blend. Next, we'll do Candlelight on the base of the eye to give it a little bit more shine. And we'll use the all-over blending brush to help give it some contour up in the crease area. This is Soft Heather that we're using. The blending brush will come into play soon. We're going to use first the crease brush with Sweet Plum, and you can see how I'm applying it just kind of in the area where I want it to be. It's not perfect, but that's okay because we're going to come back with the all-over blending brush and blend that in. Then we'll give a little pop to the eye by using your finger with the gold status right on the ball of the eye, just patting it into place. And then we'll line our eyes with Amethyst eyeliner. And we'll do some finishing touches of the Lash Love Mascara. Lash Love Mascara gives you volume and length and helps to make everything so big and full. So apply as many coats as you like. Here I'm just doing one coat. And if you get a little bit on your eye or anywhere on your face, you're going to leave it dry. And we'll get that in a little bit. Don't worry, we'll get that. Next, we're going to do eyebrows. This is the Precision Eyebrow Pencil in Blonde, and we're going to fill in our eyebrows using the Precision Pencil. Stay in the shape of your eyebrow and gently brush on. Then you can use the spoolie side of your brow brush to help comb through and blend out the color. And finish it off with some clear brow tint to keep your eyebrows in place. Cheek color, we're going to use the Darling Pink and just gently pat and blend. For lips, today I'm wearing the Supreme Hydration Lipstick for moisture and color. This one's in the new shade of Toasted Plum. Finally, let's get that little dot with a Q-tip by twisting it and gently removing that little spot of mascara that was dried onto my face. And voila! Have a great day!